The top play of today, Hood. I've been all over it since morning. Probably see 20 tweets from me. The reason I do those tweets, I need people to understand how simple the setup is. Before the market opened, I looked at Hood. It was flagging at all-time highs. Range breakout, flagging at all-time highs. Check. My plan. Price target raised by Bank of America to 95 from 65. Analyst upgrade. Bank of America is a tier 1 upgrade. I know it's gonna move. I have a catalyst, a tier 1 upgrade. Check. I said price at all-time high. All-time high breakout. Watch. No go under 84.80. If I don't see it triggering, I will not touch it. And that's why I tweeted as well. In the morning, in the pre-market, I said all-time high setup today if it holds the gap. So that was the plan on Hood. As soon as the market opened, I see the strength on Hood. I'm so confident about the setup, I tell traders long it. We push. The first job we do is we move our stops break even. You buy 1,000 shares, you're risking $600, $700, $800. You already up $2,000. You move your stops break even. And then we push to 88. So we pushed from 86 all the way to 89. So the target I gave was 89 in the morning. Then came a pullback. So we ran a little bit, $3. And we were doing very nicely. We were trying to curl from 512s here. And I told the traders 90 calls are coming in. I gave the 87 stops, but then it flushed. The event was going on. It flushed right into 34.50. Now some traders got it at this 34.50 swipe down because that's our another repeatable setup. I told the traders to stop out and let's watch for a Ripster cloud to tell us to get back long again. Yes, of course, if you are swinging it, you're fine. You still have to use this risk level. That's what I told the traders. But anyways, this was our 512 calls. You see 11 and 27. The risk was 87.50. 512 calls means a 512 long. The target was 90 and we pushed to the 90 target. This was your another entry. Long here, 87 risk. If you have option, look at the delta, look at see how much you can lose on the options. And then there is no looking back. It's an all-time high. There's no resistance. So you see the Fibonacci's I create here. I took it from the last breakout low to the breakout high. So all the Fibonacci targets are being met. Realistically, we should be pushing to 97. You see the 512 held all day. No reason to cut. And I told the traders an important concept I was teaching on the live screen. When some of the stock trading between 90, 95 and 100 for the first time, it gravitates toward 100. So that's why a lot of traders are swinging Hood overnight because of my guidance. And I didn't really tell the traders to exit because we never really broke 512. Of course, take profits, but we didn't get any exit all day long. So the 90 calls ran from $1 to $4. Even if you longed it later in the day on the 512 calls, they went from $1.80 or $2 all the way $5. So you could literally 3 times your money because we have a defined A+ setup. You don't go crazy with your sizing, but you stay on top of it. If you're options trader, it's a different risk reward. If you are a stock trader, all you needed was 1,000 shares, sell 500 here, hold the 500 rest of the day, you're making 4 or 5 grand there. That's kind of the trade you really want to do, guys. We were ready in the pre-market. We had the upgrade. We know it's all-time highs. This is an A+ setup.
Come to trade with Ripster. Join the community at www.tenettradegroup.com.